Maximizing your potential. Effective resources for BEC Higher. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a very crucial topic for all those preparing for the C1 Business Higher, also known as BEC Higher exam. It's all about using resources effectively. We all have the same 24 hours, but it's how you use them and the materials at your disposal that can make all the difference. First and foremost, it's essential to differentiate between good and not so good resources. A high-quality resource is updated regularly. The BEC Higher evolves over time, and you need materials that reflect these changes. Tailored to the exam, it should closely follow the format and objectives of the BEC Higher. Interactive. Rather than just passive reading, the best resources engage you in the learning process, like mock tests or interactive quizzes. When preparing, it's crucial to use a blend. Official guides. These are released by Cambridge English and will give you the most accurate representation of what to expect. Textbooks. They provide a structured pathway, progressively building your knowledge. Online platforms. These can provide additional exercises, mock tests, and community support. Practice tests. Absolutely essential. They familiarize you with the test format and help you gauge your readiness. Using resources is one thing, but using them effectively is another. Here are some tips. Scheduled study. Plan your study sessions, focusing on different aspects of the exam during each session. Active recall. Instead of just reading, test yourself regularly. This improves memory retention. Study groups. Discussing topics with peers can provide different perspectives and fill knowledge gaps. Feedback loop. If using mock tests or online platforms, always review the feedback. Understand your mistakes to avoid them in the future. While using resources, be wary of over-reliance on one type. Diversity in your study materials can offer a more rounded preparation. Procrastination. With so many resources, it's easy to delay. Set clear goals and timelines. Ignoring weaknesses. Don't just focus on what you're good at. Use your resources to strengthen areas where you're lacking. That's a wrap for today. Remember, in the journey to acing the BEC Higher, it's not just about the resources you have, but how you use them. Combine quality materials with effective study techniques, and you'll be on your way to success. Good luck, and here's hoping this video has been a valuable resource for your preparation journey.